Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. The market is kind of healthy a bit in the pre-market. We have a bit of pullback, but this is okay because the market it is correcting down a bit. SMCI the same is pulling back a bit down, but is still holding the current support. Today we might have another jump. Yesterday was the top 1 day gain in the market, guys, is the all time, I think. Let's see. Look at this green, man. Green everywhere. Green is everywhere, guys. The only one in red is DJ. So we have a huge green day. Yesterday it was the only day top historic reaction for the market. Let me just ask ChatGPT, when was the one single day of green in the markets? Let's see. I couldn't find it. Anyway, so guys, let's get right to it. We've got two unicorn STSS reversing from the support to the 22. We got this one, guys, STSS. We already discussed it early. Dexter, great hunt, my brother, for taking your profit on STSS. RSLS, yes, is sleeping. WHLR, game over here. Yeah, it broke the support. The first one, the second one is going toward the bottom here. WHLR, it is flashing down, so I'm going to take it from the list. The other one, RSLS. Yeah, we got a little breakout, but pull back again. RSLS could be good at the market open because, yeah, we got a nice jump here. It could be good later because it's still holding the trend here. AREB is still inside this bearish channel, but still have a chance for a jump. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see which one will be the one. Let's see if we got another unicorn right now in the pre-market. We got KTTA. Yeah, this one could be good, guys. We have this one. And we've got, yeah, this one. And let me just check if we got another one. PRFX. PRFX. Okay, PRFX could be good as well. If we held the current support around the $2.24, jumping 26%. So we got two unicorn. This one already jumped before, so it could be good to jump again. Okay, so We got PFRX, and the other one is KTTA. Those two could be really good for today if they jumped. Especially KTTA looking really interesting here with STSS. Those the top unicorn for today. Yeah, top unicorn for today, guys. STSS, KTTA have a huge resistance around the 218. Could be good for a nice jump at the market open toward the 250. So far, so good for this one. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. As we discussed, guys, STSS was the top gainer today in the pre-market. We already hunted for it early in the pre-market. Dexter already took his profit. We did nice, almost 40% gain for this trade, guys, for STSS early when we discussed it on our live streaming that we did a few hours ago. Daily live streaming and pre-market hunt for mini stocks, guys, on our community and Discord and Bitcoin. I'm gonna put the link in the comment section if you want to join. Good morning, Xander, Sally, Lizzie, Ham. Some of you ask about ICCT. Hey, what is the data coming out? Yeah, before the market opened, I think HYFM. I was checking this one, but I don't like it that much. That's why I don't put it here. HYFM. I think I already checked this one, but I don't like it, brother. Not good. Be careful. It's not good. Yes, what's the consensus is not bearish. We still have a bit of doubt because the market is still below the resistance here for many stocks. SPY, it is below a major resistance, guys, which is the 549. Today we might pull back to test this support around the 523. You see here we have a gap, so we're gonna fill this gap today. If we want to have a bullish market, we need to fill the gap and go over the 550. SMCI, the same. You see the market open because we got near the resistance here. Yesterday and the day before, we hunted for Delta Air, guys, which had a great earnings. We discussed this one before the jump, guys. Did almost 24% yesterday, and we did the swing trade for Dell yesterday before the earnings. We suggest for taking profit around the 43.90, and now it's hovering around the 42.80 because it hit our target profit here. Great hunt, guys, for Delta Air. Did really great yesterday, almost 24% after the majestic earnings. 20% suppress. Again, the SPY is still in the consolidation zone, guys. Yesterday was a huge day for the market. Today we got KTTT, number one, KTTA, and STSS. BFRX could be good, but is a bit volatile. It jumped, dumped, jumped. So the range is really wide here, even for the support. That's why it is too risky. I might put a little support just in case here to hold. But yeah, the number one is KTTA and number two is STTS or STSS. Those two looking pretty fantastic for today. Everybody have this cautious and of course doubt about the market. Everybody considering the jump yesterday was a kind of a trap. So we got a bit of indecision. And we're gonna confirm that today, guys, if the market will continue in this bullish run or not by watching this buy, by watching Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pulling back a bit as well, as you see here. Yesterday we did a huge jump. Now it's pulling back. So Bitcoin is getting near the bottom 73. But yeah, Bitcoin have to break the 88 to go on the green side. So the market is not in green yet. For Bitcoin, we need to do almost 10% to go on the green side. So we're not in clear, guys, yet. The market is still in undecision phase. So be careful. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget. Come on, hit the like button. We need 50 likes before the market open for today. Support is really important. Watch out, guys. KKTTA looking pretty interesting right now. The $2.15 should be the resistance. STSS is still looking all right. Yeah, this one could be the one, guys. KTTA could be the one for today. So I'm watching it closely. At the market open, already jumped 82%. But the problem is we could buy just 90 shares. If you live in Europe, we have just 90 shares to buy this one. Hello, Prophet. How you doing, man? We're watching KTTA. We have a little pullback for KTTA. This jump happened just a little time ago. Yes, just 45 minutes ago. This breakout around the 166. Where this jump, yeah, almost 35%. That's why we have a bit of struggle here, guys, around the 215. We need another jump toward the 255, and this will give us almost 30% jump here at the market open if we got another buyer. So I'm gonna lower the support here for a pullback around the 159 just in case if we got halted down or we pull back. Yeah, this one could be interesting play, guys, for today. STSS, we got another level to watch out for here. Yeah, this one could be good as well at the market open. We already jumped here from the 20 cents. We did almost 45%. Great hunt, Dexter, for exiting for this trade. It was really good to exit with 40% for STSS. So this jump happened early on our live streaming that we did here, guys, on our Discord 2.5 hours before. Most of the gains and most the plays usually happen in the pre-market. Good morning, George. Good morning, Lucas. KTTA, the best entry was here, man. So now there's two strategy, either to wait for a pullback reversal. It will start around the 179 and 159. So this is could be a good entry for a reversal. And if we held, of course, we're gonna go jump toward the 215, 256 at least. So this is the zone that we watch for a reversal for KTTA. For STSS, the entry was already here before now. Already jumped, already took profit before this resistance. Now we reverse from our bottom here and start to reverse a bit. Once the market open, if we have another buyer, we're gonna jump toward the 37. For now, it's just correcting because we already did two jumps here. Look at that. This is the first jump. This is the second jump. It's missing the third. For KTTA, we have first jump in the pre-market, second jump 45 minutes ago, and waiting for the third. So both of them already did two jumps, guys. Two jumps already. PRFX is much more risky than the other two because have a wide range and big tsunami range. RSLS is still consolidating over this trend slowly and surely. It want to go toward the $1, this one. So we have four stocks looking fantastic, and we got some swing trade stock from yesterday, like Delta Air. It was really great yesterday to trade this one to take profit at. We suggest to take profit around the 43.90. We hit the 44.80. Then we pulled back today in pre-market. This one, we did it on our swing trade yesterday, guys. We hunted for Dalla. We said have reporting earnings now. Yesterday, pre-market, of course. We did CarMax, but CarMax didn't break the 77.69 and went down instead because we've got bad earnings. You see? Delta Air have a huge earnings. That's why it jumped 24%. SMCI, guys, 15% yesterday. Got near a resistance. That's why we have a struggle for today. The same with the SPY. Baba is still holding, guys, even though we got over 100% tariff imposed on China, and Baba still didn't flush. Yeah, we kind of flushed almost 34%, but this is with the whole market still holding over the 95. I'm waiting for another major dip for Baba. And I think even China will sit with Trump guys to discuss the tariff, because this is clearly not the best way to take, because real retaliation between America and United States and China would never end. It started with the United States 50%, 58%, then China 85%, then now United States 125%, then China will do 200%. Come on, man. It's crazy. And I think we never have this kind of tariff before, guys. Like over 100%. This is kind of madness. Good afternoon, John. How you doing? So guys, watch out. Watch out. KTTA in the big picture, it is bad news. Just watch out. This one is heavily diluted, guys. KTTA heavily diluted 1 to 20 last year and continue to go down, man, below the $1. So it's heavily diluted. So we'll be extremely careful. In the smaller picture, yes, it's strong. For in the big picture is really bearish. I like the technical in the smaller picture. So let's see. Let us bring our disclaimer, guys, for today. Disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Remember, everybody, we always go live every day. So remember, we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open on our Discord and Patreon. Yesterday, we discussed Delta Air swing trade was really great swing trade for our hunters. Today we took profit for STSS. We traded this one in pre-market. Dexter, shout out to Dexter who actively trading with us. Snap 40% on this play. Great hunt because we spotted the short sellers around this level, the 29. The price have a fake out and went down. And we suggest for re-entry over this support, the 19 cent. Now we reversed. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open, 2 minutes left. So hit the like button on the way in. And of course, let's have a green day for today. We got KTTA number 1 for the unicorn, jumping 71%. We got big seller, guys, around the 215, because if we broke this level, we might get halted up. Big buyer over the 160. For STSS, nice jump. The best entry was here early in pre-market. And now reversing, there's a huge chance to jump again and go toward at least 0.37. This is my target to watch. PRFX is a bit dangerous, so I'm gonna keep it on the list just in case. RSLS looking juicy if it broke the 71. Swing trade, SMCI looking fantastic. It pulled back now a bit. The SPY the same, it's pulling back. We have a gap, guys. We have a big seller came for the market here for the SPY below the 550. So be careful. The market is still not confident yet. Yesterday, yes, we have some news, good news about the tariff been lifted and paused for 90 days. But now we need a confirmation for today, guys, for another green day, or maybe a correction down for today at least, because yesterday we have unrealistic jump, especially for AMD jumping 24%, which is madness. Huge. Okay, today might be a correction day, so be careful, guys. Let's get right to it. We have 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left at the market open. Hit the like, guys. Come on, we need 50 likes for today. We can do it. Nice. Let's get right to it. KTTA at the market open could be good. Let's see. We might get a lot of stocks get halted today, guys. Expect a huge haltation. Market is open. We got KTTA pulling back. STSS still holding. RSLS the same. KTTA still holding. Yeah, just watch out, guys. If we broke this level, we might get halted for KTTA. The top volume gainer for today is STSS, almost half a billion. Half a billion. Imagine DJT doing fantastic today and yesterday. ICCT, it looked good. If it broke the 550, ICCT could be really great for today. ICCT, I might put it on the main list because now it's 33%. Yeah, it could be good. WHLR, game over. KTTA, testing the support. Yeah, testing the support here, guys. It could be good for a reversal. If we held here, KTTA would be the best to watch out for a reversal. Yeah, it could be good for a reversal at the moment if we held. STSS is pulling back as well. PFRX, no good, man. I don't like it now. Take it from the list. RSLS, still okay. ICCT is getting near the breakout zone around the 550. KTTA, guys, is still holding the support, the 159. SMCI in red. Yeah, we have a little of red. Palantir, a little bit of red. AMD, still holding the support. Netflix, Coinbase. I'm watching for a dip here because we might have a reversal, guys. RH is pulling back as well. Nvidia, BTU. Yeah, we got a little correction for the market. This is normal. But this red could turn to green really quickly. If we're still holding the support for the SPY, yeah, it's still okay because we don't have a flush here. Yeah, KMX down. KTTA started to reverse. STSS started to pump. RSLS push back down. I think it broke the support here, so I'm gonna take it from the list. ICCT jumping up. So STSS I think is halted up, guys, or about to get halted. Watch out, guys. STSS might get halted at any minute. 116% right now. Yeah, STSS, it is the one. It want to go toward the 37. This is the level that we have to watch out for a test. Nice. 31. 32. Yeah, it's going toward the 37. We have the 32 resistant now. Let's see if we're gonna break this resistance. Just right there. 32.4. We might get halted if we broke this level very quick. Any minute now. Okay, this is the test. Yeah, put it back. Of course. Wow. Yeah, big seller, guys. Big seller just entered around our resistance. STSS. KTTA reversing from our support nicely, guys, over the 159. Now, if we broke the 215, we're gonna get halted up and squeeze. KTTA doing all right. ICCT is a bit light on volume. So the top two is KTTA and STSS. STSS, guys, we have a big buyer for this dip. So we might break this resistance now. If we broke it, we're gonna go toward the 37, 0.37. Great reaction for STSS. Look at that. I think we're breaking now. Yeah, we're breaking this level nicely. Yeah, we're breaking, guys. Going toward the 37. STSS. Humongous squeeze is coming. Humongous squeeze is coming. Let's go. STSS. Let's go. 0.37. Here we come. This is it. We might get shorted here, guys. This level, it is the current resistant right now. I'm gonna add another support just right there around the 27 because we need to hold here if we don't want to flush down. STSS almost hit the 37. KTTA, yes, didn't break the 2.15 yet. STSS, come on, we need the test toward the 37, then a flush would be great. What we waiting for, man? What we waiting for? So technically, once the market opened, jumped 40%. So yeah, it's overextended, guys. This is a huge jump, guys, really huge. So we might pull back before even the resistance. Yeah, 40% is too much. Too much for a squeeze. Usually we lose momentum after 50%. Now we did 40%, so there's a bit of room for another jump, then a flush. 0.035. We need the 37, man. If we hit the 37, I will be satisfied. Yeah, sometimes the stock never give us what we want, but this time I feel it. Yes, 37. It hit the 37. This is it, guys. Make sure to take profit right now. Run with your money. 46%, 50%. This is it, guys. I'm gonna take profit here. I'm not getting greedy here. No, 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 no. Run, 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 run. Run with your money, man. Is too overextended here, to be honest, guys. Yes, we might have a little jump toward the 38, but I don't trust it after that. I trust a pullback down a bit to correct. But yeah, great hunt, guys, for STSS. Dexter, good hunt in the pre-market. And of course, if you entered again, make sure to take profit right now for the second time. You see, guys, it's always wise to take profit and re-enter for another entry. This is the safest thing because this one we entered, we exited here. That now we entered before the market opened, we exited there exactly before the flush. You see, a huge red candle just came after we sold. Profit, you are welcome, man. Great hunt. You are welcome, man. Let's go. Profit. Great hunt. This is what I like, man. Getting greedy is not good. Securing your profit and go to sleep. This is how we do it. You don't have to trade the full day, because the more you trade, the more risk you encounter. It's the same if you hunted your gazelle in the jungle. The more you go in the jungle and try to hunt the second gazelle, guess what happened? The lion will eat your ass. So don't do that. Try to take your gazelle, eat it, and stay safe. Because if you be in the jungle, there's another animals will eat you. So don't be overconfident because you are not on the top in the food chain. We are not on the top of the food chain. Just remember that. There is always bigger shark that might eat you. Just consider the market is like a jungle, guys, and you are the little fish. Yeah, if you get experience, you're gonna be upgraded to dolphin, but not a full shark. Yeah, dolphin is fast, is smart, but come on, if shark or killer whale can see you, can eat you. So yeah, be careful. Now we pulling back for STSS, and really nice hunt, guys, for this exit zone. It was perfect exit. We exited around the 37, not the 38. Yeah, because we didn't hit the 38, we hit the 37, and now it's pulling back. KTTA didn't break yet. ICCT still didn't break yet. Let's do a very full check for the market. AREV, oh man, it's moving, so I'm gonna put it on the main list. RSLS, nope. Checking if we got something moving and put it on the main list, because this list is a waiting list, guys. Those stock I'm not actively trading. Okay, Delta Air pulling back. CarMax is pulling back toward our support. Nice. It's testing our first support at the moment. Yes, SMCI pulling back down. Palantir still holding. So Palantir is much stronger with Netflix. Yeah, Palantir and Netflix are strong. RH is a bit weaker. Baba still in green. The SPY is pulling back. So yeah, Palantir is strangely strong. Yeah, I'm gonna put alert for Palantir, because if we broke this level, we might have a green day. So yeah, I'm gonna keep watching Palantir. But yeah, the market today, it is red, guys. Watching for the SPY is pulling back toward a critical zone for today. Anyway, let's go back to STSS, still holding. KTTA, guys, it's about to squeeze here. Yeah, KTTA is going up, guys. Watch out. Hit the like button and the way. And remember, guys, we always go live every day. And on our Discord, we did a nice hunt for STSS before the market open. We suggest to exit for STSS on the first level of resistance around the 27. Now we took profit for STSS on the top target around the 37. Great hunt for today. And yesterday we did a nice hunt for Delta Air. We suggest to take profit around the 43.90, guys, and jumped almost 25%. And now Delta Air pulled back because we hit the second profit taking. Great hunt for Delta Air for our hunter on Discord and Patreon. We always do swing trade, day trade on Discord, guys. The link in comment section below, and as well on the live chat section. So what's going on? The market, it is in a bit of red, so be careful because the SPY is pulling back. It is about to test a major support right now for the SPY, from my opinion. If we held it, will be good. If we didn't, yes, we're gonna be big in red. But for now, we are correcting because yesterday we have a huge jump, guys. Unrealistic jump, almost 10% for the SPY. This is too much. So now we're correcting because some people taking profit from this yesterday gains. Yeah, yesterday we got FOMO buying. but it's not the end of the world because today we're not big down, just 5% for SMCI. Yesterday we did 15%, so technically we're still up 10% from yesterday. Palantir the same. We did a huge jump here after we got the news of delayed or pausing the the tariff. So technically we're still up 12%. So yeah, the market is still in green. Technically we're still in the green side, especially Palantir, still strong, man. Really strong because it's still nearer the $90.29. Not bad for today. Yeah, KTTA breaking out. But I don't like this breakout, guys. A breakout, then pullback. So I don't like this breakout. Not my cup of tea. Not the strongest breakout. Is a bit weak breakout. However, I'm gonna give it a bit of time to recorrect and go toward the 260. But yeah, we should have held at least. I'm gonna put another support just in case to confirm that we're not gonna have a flush around the 180. So KTTA is still good, guys, as long as we hold the $1.80. Yeah, doing all right. We're gonna do update later on for all the other stocks, guys, because every chart should be updated minute by minute and second by second. Just remember that WCT is warning Big Mike. What's going on with WCT? We got WTF and we got WCT. What's going on? 6%? What you think, man? This stock is dead. Yeah, jumping a little, but the volume is dead, man. I'm not trading stock is dead. We need activity, man. STSS, Sharp Technology. Last news was shareholder meeting. We got KTTA. We have to check the stock that got halted. Let's see. We got, yeah, today is a bit light day for the haltation. We got ELAB. Let's check. Yeah, yesterday was much active for the stock got halted. ELAB, yeah, got shorted. Is halted down right now. Is not good for now. Is not that good. Yeah, is heavily diluted. Not diluted yet. If we broke the 350, yes, it's gonna be diluted. STSS is still number one stock for today with KTTA. ICCT pulling back a bit. AREB moving. Oh God. Oh God. Finally, AREB is moving. Watch out, guys. AREB, we did the charts yesterday for our hunter because we spotted this one for unusual activity. Look at that, man. What a crazy jump for AREB. Let me just show you when we did the chart for AREB. We did WTF and yesterday. 2 unicorn for today. Yesterday we said 555. We said this is the support resistant 1017. Look at that. We updated the level after that for AREB, for the resistance for our elite members, I think, for let me just check AREB. I think we updated the level. It's still around the 10. Yes. So now we have a new level, guys, for AREB around the $8. We breaking out. Now it's going toward the 968. Watch out, guys. AREB broke the trend, the bearish trend, and now it's going to the bullish side. AREB, guys, one of the stocks that doing pretty good. We discussed this reversal early, as we said, on our unicorn hunt yesterday for the dip reversal from the 555, and now is squeezing and halted. Let me just show you exactly. Yeah, AREB is halted with LUDP. Reason code LUDP, guys. This is crazy. KTTA is really dicey right now, guys. If it broke this support, it would be dicey. AREB strong, but light on volume. Be careful, guys. We might have a flush. If we tested this level, we might have like this flush because the volatility, the volume is really light. Let's see the swing trade. SMCI still nothing. Whoa, Palantir, guys, is doing something here. Yeah, the market could be in a huge green later, especially this one, if it held over the 168. Yeah, we might have a reversal for the market from the red to green, so I'm watching closely. I'm gonna adjust the support here. So yeah, we got a nice support for many stocks, especially Palantir, guys. Palantir could be really good. Yeah, this one not good now. Yeah, we have a fake out, guys. Yeah, this was fake out. So we got less support to hold over the 160. STSS is the number one with AREB right now. AREB still halted over the resistance. So this is a pretty nice breakout from the $8. AREB halted up. Yes, I know, John. AREB is halted up, man. But be careful, as we said, the volume is pretty light for AREB. Pretty light. Okay, we are unhalted. $8.65, $9.15. It's going toward the 968. Make sure to take profit here, guys. This is a major level of resistance. 968, and I think we might get halted again around the 968. Now it's halted maybe around the 946. Holy moly. This is madness. This is madness, guys. So we are halted around the 946. The target right now is around the $9.99. This is it. We might get shorted around the 9.99, so make sure to take profit there, guys. This is the ultimate resistance. I'm gonna put it here, or just below the $10. This is for AREB, guys. We spotted this one since yesterday. As you can see here, it was perfect spot because we spotted the bottom reversal from the 555 and now almost 10. So we almost doubled from yesterday, from the 555 until now, almost 100%. Look at that. Nice trend, nice hunt. What a day, man. What a day. WCT, man, is light on volume, and even if it jumped, is too dangerous to trade. I can't trade WCT, man. So now watch out for AREB, guys, because it might get shorted around $10. So after the unhalting, it should be it for AREB. Another 6%, and we might get halted down. If we continue, it would be good for entry again, but for now, it's too dangerous. AREB is still light on volume, so it's better to take profits after the unhalting. Trading of AREB is temporarily halted by the Nasdaq. So yeah, we waiting for this one to get unhalted. And the haltation should be around the $10 something. For now, we got few supports to watch out for. 8.22, it is the current support. So I'm gonna be really ready to exit very quickly for AREB. Let's check the market. RSLS, no good for now. Yes, the market, it is. Yeah, Palantir went down still. We don't have a correction yet. We have anticipation, guys. No correction yet. STSS is still below the resistance. Yeah, the strongest one is STSS for today. After that, AREB. Let's double check if we got another stock got halted. We got STHH, ELAB, AREB got halted around the 53 and now 57. So after 1 minute, guys, 1 minute exactly. Yeah, 1 minute exactly. Or a few seconds, 20 seconds, I think. Yeah, 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. Or now 5 seconds. 5 seconds will be unhalted. Wait a second. Okay, now. Oh God, is unhalted down, you see? Let's see if we held. Yeah, we hold 920. Let's see if we go up. We went up finally. Yeah, 980. I'm gonna exit right now, guys. Yeah, 990. This is it. I'm exiting on this one. It's really too dangerous, man. Too dangerous. Too dangerous. Now this is too dangerous. So I exited from AREB, guys, because the $10 is the resistance. We went until the 997. This is it here. I might do update later on for AREB, guys. So we're gonna continue the hunt for AREB as we do here on our Discord and Patreon. Dexter, really good hunt, man, for STSS. Nice. You are welcome, Said. Great hunt for Said. Yes, STSS was the best trade for today. Go to sleep, Said. You did great today. Tomorrow we're gonna continue the hunt. This is the best to do. Never get over trading and of course greedy. Once you take your profit, take it and go to sleep. That's what I'm gonna do because we did a great trade for AREB and STSS. For now, is time for wrap up our live streaming. Shout out to Said and Dexter, one of our hunters on Discord and Patreon, where they took their profit on STSS early in the pre-market, and now because we took two profit taken here in the pre-market before this live streaming, once we went trading live on our Discord, and the second here at the market open. And of course, we did the second trade for AREB, which testing the breakout zone right now. We took profit below the $10. We're gonna do update for AREB, guys, because this stock was one of our trade from yesterday once we spotted the bottom around the 555, the best bottom, because right now we did almost 100% on this trade just from yesterday. We did for ICCT, as you can see here, and AREB. We said there's two unicorn for today. So we're gonna check for the top two unicorn for today and do the short like what we did yesterday. So join us, guys. The link comment section below to our Discord and Patreon if you want to have another update for the market, and of course have another opportunity to hunt with us. For now, the market is still pulling back, so be careful, guys. The market is a bit weaker for today. Yesterday was a huge day, now is correcting down. I'm not saying the market will go in red, big red for today, because the SPY is still holding the current support. We're gonna do update for the market later on. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow at the same time, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon, 3 hours or 2 hours and a half before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys. Press the like button on the way out. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring. And always remember, there's always opportunity in the market. If you didn't catch STSS and AREB for today, make sure to come early tomorrow, or better yet, join our Discord and Patreon for better entry and exit before even the market open. Thank you for watching, everybody. CDT, let me just check CDT but before I go, because some of you said there's news. 14, 17%. No, I don't like it. MLGO light on volume today, so I don't like it. Anyway, this is it for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you by tomorrow.